Today we're gonna go to Toronto because it's a drivable distance and mine as well, because when else will I get the chance to drive to Toronto? I really want to go to Uniqlo and pick up this tote bag collab with this tattoo artist that's based in Toronto. So let's go. I really hope this is okay. Much. You too. Wow.
Melanie. Thank you.
Highlight of today, getting sushi. I haven't looked at it yet, so. Whoa! It's so pretty. I've never gotten one of these boxes before. Wow. I'm so excited. Let's try the seaweed salad first. Cheers. Wait, there's no wasabi? I'm dead. Oh, there it is. I used to never eat wasabi, but now I love it. Ooh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Which one do I do first? Thanks for joining me. It's only 8:11.
We just ate at I'm with my friends, but they're a little careful.
No!
Yeah, quickly. Hi. Okay. For this class in that building.
Good morning. Let's prep the coffee. I have not been forgetting about that. Where's my cup? Yes, that's good. Good morning. Okay, got my coffee. I bought a journal yesterday from Muji, which you probably saw. Now I just kind of want to draw. 미치겠다.
다 모여. 나 은행.
내가 이긴 듯지. Story time! So, here you see me cleaning out my closet, and I thought it would be a brilliant day to give Plato's Closet a try. And if you don't know what Plato's Closet is, basically you bring your clothes to this thrift store and they'll choose some clothes that they like and they'll actually give you cash for it. I went into the store, which I thought was Plato's Closet, and I realized it doesn't have the same name. Like the name of the store is inside the store, and I was like, oh, maybe they changed their name. And I went to the front and I was like dropping off these 2 bags, and they were like, okay, you can come back in 2 hours, we'll text you. And when I walked back outside, I look back and I'm like, Plato's Closet is next door to the store that I went in. But at this point, I've gone too far. I've given my bags, I've written down my information, and like 1% of me was like, maybe I should go back in and pretend, or not pretend, but admit that I thought this was Plato's Closet, because this was a thrift store catered to older people, and my clothes were definitely not in that category. So what I did was I went back home, and I never got a text, and I never went back. So there's that. It is a very me story because first, I couldn't get myself to go back outside. Second, I messed up so bad where I just couldn't get myself to fix it. So I hope they're enjoying my very non-elderly clothes and my shoes that I donated. Yeah, lesson to you. Maybe look at the store name before you enter, and note that thrift stores can be next door to other thrift stores. Okay, hope you enjoyed one of my biggest fails recently. Look at my socks. Okay, anyways. Sticker unboxing. Ooh. I have like a green theme going for me. So this is a remake of a vending machine sticker that I made 2 years ago. Cute. This one is in honor of my zine or whatever. This one is in honor of my 2-year anniversary on Patreon. Thank you to anyone who's been able to join in the past or supports me by just watching these videos. It's awesome to be creating things still. Even though my whole career is like tanking, it's still cool to be able to get this far. Knowing that it might just extinguish at any time, but that's okay. I am enjoying every little bit of this still. And I guess that's what matters, which now I have a print idea, so I'm gonna work on that. Also, actually wait, let me change first. Where was I? Well, I'm really messed up. Oh, I know. I'm really bad at voiceovers, but I feel like I should try it out more in one of these vlogs. See ya next time.